If you need to reset your password on Titan Invest, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Titan Invest website. Go to the official Titan Invest website using your preferred web browser. Ensure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Titan Invest account. Make sure to input the correct email to receive the reset link. Step 4. Check your email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Click on the link in the email, which will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, then confirm it. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Titan Invest account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.